with guidelines in this election by the second respondent? Probably you're not aware. Were you issued with the guidelines?
Yes, we were issued with guidelines, my lord.
Did this form conform to those guidelines? Confirm that this did not conform to the guidelines. And that paragraph 9, that you had the following agents at the same 14 polling stations is false. You as Nambi.
My lord, I had these agents appointed by my party, which is the internal rules procedure for by-elections.
According to the guidelines, was it you to appoint Kalemba Herbert? According to the guidelines that you have.
My lord, my colleague is referring to guidelines that he's not pointing out. I would be grateful if you point the witness to any particular guidelines.
My lord, that's why you come back. She answered that she has the guidelines. My lord, my colleague will come.
The guidelines, my lord, I was referring to, that I was pointed at, were for the NRM.
So the Electoral Commission did not issue any guidelines to you? Or you're not aware? Probably we shall assist you.
Those were for electoral commissions, but in this particular response, my lord, I was referring to
So you followed?
the appointments.
In appointing these agents, you followed the NRM guidelines, but not the EC guidelines. Is that the position? Say yes or no. What did you follow?
We followed all the guidelines, my lord.
Did you follow the EC guidelines in appointing Kalemba Herbert, Namatovu Sarah, Ninsima, Mauricia, Gordon Salim Saleh, Sebugwao Doi, Nalumans Jessica, Wagala Olivia, Kova Victor, Wamanya Silva, Ruby Sarah Sanyu, Zainab Farida, Namulinda Grace, and Chikam Eli? Which guidelines did you follow? Of course, these are the people we are relying on in this petition.
Yes, my
You are
lord,
relying on.
these according to the NRM constitution, my lord, these polling agents were appointed on my behalf by virtue of this appointment letter, my lord.
Did you participate in NRM elections prior to this election?
Yes,
NRM
my
elections. Yes, Your Honor. My lord. My lord, were these NRM elections for you to be guided by the NRM guidelines? Were they NRM elections?
My lord, according to NRM, this is
Confirm
the
that they were national
procedure.
elections.
This was the procedure that we used in this by-election
And
and
confirm-
the other by-elections.
Confirm we are talking about a general election, not an NRM election. Just confirm. No answer? Well, to rest this point, would I be right to say that you, Nambi, never appointed any agents to rest this case? You, Nambi.
I participated fully in this process together with the NRM party since I was their official candidate, my lord.
You show us where you signed appointing. That participation is what I'm looking for. Because you're seeing information from my agents. Show us where you signed as participation in this process. Is it there?
My
C1,
lord, I think all these agents, if brought forward, they would confirm that I was part of the process in briefing, in training, and in the final day of the elections. And this is part and parcel with the NRM constitution.
I put to you that there is no signature of the Nambi, the candidate appointing agents. Well, my lord, I wish to ask the witness if she's aware, because we may not have the benefit. Are you aware that some of the people who made those statements, appointed agents, will not be presented in court for cross-examination? Are you aware? That's why I want you to answer some of these questions. Are you aware?
Yes, I'm aware according to the ruling of yesterday.
That they will not be cross-examined about these statements.
Yes, I'm aware, my lord.
Can you also confirm? We go back to paragraph 10. Enumerating the incidents at all these polling stations of chaos, violence, etc. Can you confirm that you are not there at each of these 14 polling stations?
Yes, my lord.
Can you confirm, therefore, that you did not see any such chaos? I'm trying to rush through. Just confirm that we don't bother.
Yes, my lord.